Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the IAT sensor fuse is located. IAT stands for intake air temperature sensor fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain why you need to check up to 14 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. What's important guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. The IAT fuses guys, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. By the way guys, you have multiple fuse boxes, we'll work in 2 of them. Why we need to check up to 14 fuses? Okay, because the IAT fuse, it's part of the fuel injection system. Now, no manual that we found mentions which fuse it is, but it's one of the fuses that's part of the fuel injection system, and you have up to 14. First we're going to open the driver door, and once you do that, look under the dash on the left side. If you look on the bottom of the dash, you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Pop that cover open, underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the IAT sensor fuse, where you can expect to find it. Here we need to check 4 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 10 more. That row of fuses is fuse 1 through 16, that's 17 through 32. If you come here, that fuse number 3, that's the one that you will need to check. Go ahead and check that one. Then you have 17, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 24 needs to be checked, 25 needs to be checked, and 29 here needs to be checked. Then open the hood guys. Once you open the hood, facing if you face the engine, on the right side here under that cover, if you remove it, you will find the main engine fuse box that has this layout here. Now, if you guys need to buy, by the way, any fuses, relays, parts, tools, IAT sensors at a good price, quick shipping, not just for Toyota Corolla, but any car, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, that way do not waste money and time. And here if you look guys, okay, we're going to start checking fuse number 3, 6, 10, 11, you may have or may not have this one, 12, 29, 30, 31, 32, all these 4 will need to be checked, and some of you may have fuse number 37 as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.